Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Happy Wednesday. I'm so excited. I finally get to be here for Battle of the Stitches today. So last week with my grandson being sick, I wasn't able to do the tutorial. So I hope you watched Heather at Strings and Threads and Jennifer at Dinky Crafts. I hope you watched their videos to see the tutorial for the stitch. Um, I will incorporate a tutorial next Wednesday when I do the video for how to make what I am making. So, Battle of the Stitches started with Heather and I, at Heather at Strings and Threads and we started this collaboration. This is our third year doing this. Crazy. But what we're using is this book right here, The Step-by-Step Guide to 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracy Toddhunter. And you can find this on Amazon and Thrift Books, and I will have links to both of those links in the description box below, so you can get a copy of this book if you don't have one. So what we do is we are going in order through the book, and we're doing one stitch a month, and we just have a friendly little battle of the stitches, and we create our own unique pattern with and we create our own unique pattern and project with this stitch for that month. And for the month of July, we're doing the Woven Fans. And Jennifer at Dinky Crafts is joining us to battle it out. We normally do have two content creators that we like to have join us each month. Sometimes we have one, sometimes it's just Heather and I. But we invite any and all content creators to join us for Battle of the Stitches. And it's just a friendly competition. Um, and we see how creative. I love seeing the creativity and what every inspires people by the stitch and what they come up with to make with it. It's so fun to see that. So, like I said, we got Jennifer joining us this month. Next month we have Sarah. For the month of August, we have Sarah with one hook, two hands. And next month's stitch is the chain link shells, which is so pretty. That's August stitch. So we still need one more person to join us in August if you would like to join in with this stitch. September is the trellis fan. October, gorgeous stitch. October, sorry, I got stuff popping up on my computer screen. October is the embossed shells. November is the striped shells. So if you like shells, these could be your months. And then December is the cluster fans for December. So if you would like to join us, Heather and I, and battle it out in Battle of the Stitches, my email is in the description box. Go ahead and shoot me an email and let me know that you would like to be a part of Battle of the Stitches. So what we do for this is the first Wednesday of the month, we come on and we show you the stitch we're using that month, and we give you a tutorial on how to do that stitch. The second Wednesday, which is today, we give a little sneak peek of what we're making, and in the comments you get to guess at what you think we're making with that stitch. The third Wednesday, we reveal what we've made and we show you what we've done, and then we do a separate video tutorial on how to make that project that we created. Okay, then the fourth Wednesday, we will, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, actually this month July has 5 Wednesdays. So on the third Wednesday, after you watch everybody's video, mine, Heather's, and Jennifer's, when you finish watching all 3 of our videos, head over to Heather's community page and community tab on her I can't get words out today, y'all. Head over to Heather's channel, go to her community tab, and she will have a poll posted with all 3 of our names on it, and you get to vote for whose project you like the best. Then, if you want to be considered for the drawing to win a prize, you need to leave a comment underneath that poll. Then the last Wednesday, which we have 5, normally the fourth Wednesday we go live and we tell you whose project got the most votes and we draw from who voted and left a comment to win that their choice of which project they would like. So since this month has 5 Wednesdays, we'll do the reveal on week 3, and the voting will be open week 3 and week 4. And then the 5th Wednesday, we will go live right here on Critters Crochet. Heather and Jennifer will join me, and we will share with you whose project got the most votes, and we will select one winner. And if you're chosen, you get to choose between the 3 of us which project you would like for a prize. So it's just real fun. It's friendly competition. And we also have a Facebook page, guys. And if you're not part of the ones that are actually battling it out with Heather and I, you can still make something with the stitch. If you're a content creator, show it on your channel. Talk about Battle of the Stitches and show everybody what you made. Then you can also, for content creators and subscribers, you can head over to Facebook. We have a Facebook page called Battle of the Stitches, and you can run over there and you can leave a picture of the project that you made with the stitch. And like I said, this one is the Woven Stitch. If you missed it, go back and check out Heather at Strings and Threads, Jennifer at Dinky Crafts, and check out their video on their tutorial for the stitch. Make something and post pictures. We would love to see what you make. So that is how it works. And again, my email address is in the description box. Please send me an email. Let me know that you want to be part of Battle of the Stitches as a content creator, and I will give you all these details again written out so you can have them to know exactly what to do. Please do not let the thought of making video tutorials keep you from doing this. It's not, you can do it. Don't second guess yourself. And don't sit there and say, because I did this, I was like, there's no way I can design and create. We've been doing this for 3 years. We are on stitch number 32. That means I have designed 32 projects that I didn't think I could do. I didn't think I could design anything. I've designed 32 so far. You can do this, guys. Just look, think, and it doesn't have to be anything massive. It's something that you feel like you can complete within a 3-week period. And if you decide that you want to wait until, you don't have to do next month. If you want to wait till October or November, that gives you a few months to work on your project and get it together before you have to post any of your videos. And you can record all your videos ahead of time, your stitch tutorial and your video on the project tutorial. You could have those done ahead of time and schedule them to post on YouTube. It's super easy to do. You can do this. So don't let any of those things hold you back. You would be surprised, because I surprised myself. You will be surprised at what you can do if you just give it a try. So, are you guys ready to see the sneak peek of my project? I'm not going to show much because too much will give it away. But there's part of it. That is all I'm showing you. So good luck guessing what this is. So in the description, in the comments below, let me know what you think I'm making with the Woven Fans. And don't forget, after you watch my video, be sure to watch Heather at Strings and Threads and watch Jennifer at Dinky Crafts. Watch both of their sneak peek videos today too. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday, and I will see you tomorrow for Devotional Thursday. And I have a special little surprise that I'm going to include in with the devotional, so you don't want to miss it. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a great day, and I love y'all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.